Morning check-in on Mama Bird. She's sitting on some duck eggs. She just got up for breakfast and now she's settling down, redoing her nest. This is where the ducks sleep at night. Here comes Dad Duck checking me out. What am I doing? And then the pretty hens. The pretty hens. Hi, Gamer. Hi. You good girl? Yeah. What are you girls doing? What are you girls doing? Such pretty girls. Pretty girls. Pretty, pretty girls. Did you have breakfast? Did you girls have breakfast yet? Okay. Now, go over here and see some of the pretty little ducky hens. Yep, I'm coming to see you girls. Coming to see you girls. Good babes.